guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. Today I am starting to give you ideas for Valentine's Day. Let's call it a Valentine's Day balloon garland season. I feel like every single time I am starting to give you new ideas for a new holiday, I am starting with something white. Well, this time it's not an exception. I am starting with a white balloon garland, but I am putting a twist on that white balloon garland. So stay tuned for more Valentine's Day balloon garlands because I already planned 5 more videos and I am extremely excited about them. I am trying to step out of my comfort zone and use more color, mix in more color, put some unusual colors together. So I am trying really hard to do that. I want to see what I can do with extreme colors or colors that I've never worked before, and hopefully explore more colors and learn something new as well. Lauderdale Paper and Balloon Company sent me all of the balloons that I will be using in this video for this balloon garland. Go check their website out. They have a huge variety of colors, of balloons, of any other supply that you would need for your party. So go check them out. I will link them in the description under the video. If you would decide to purchase anything, you're welcome to use my code Anastasia10 for 10% off at checkout. Without any further ado, let's jump into this video and make this balloon garland. As you can see, we have a lot of white balloons in different sizes. 5, 30, 16, 11-inch balloons. Moving on to this side, I have a container of glitter. I am not sure if I will be using this container, we'll see. And I have a whole bunch of brushes, paint brushes, red paint, and dish to put my paint into it. On top of all this, I am using 20-pound fishing line electric balloon pump and low temperature glue gun. I am ready to start blowing all of my balloons. I am using electric balloon pump. I want to pair my balloons, so what I'm doing is why am I always doing this? I need scissors to open this. Ugh. I am taking 2 balloons at the same time, blowing them at the same time. As soon as I'm done blowing them, I am pressing my balloons against the floor to give them more rounder shape. And I am tying these 2 balloons together in a pair like these. So I am pairing 11-inch with 11, 5-inch with 5. I will be blowing my 30-inch balloons individually, and I will be pairing my 16-inch balloons as well. So let's go. I'm gonna center this a little bit better right now, but it took me so much strength and so much time to assemble this frame. This frame is a very, very good quality. It doesn't compare to the frame, the round hoop that I have. That round hoop, this one I paid about $76. I'm gonna check again. I am very, very happy. The paint on this frame, it doesn't come off so easy. You really need to scratch it to scratch off the paint. The base looks like it's going to be pretty sturdy. I haven't tested this frame yet, so we'll see as we go. To construct our balloon garland, I am starting with the 16-inch pair balloons. I am taking my 20-pound fishing line and tying it to my first pair. Second pair right on top of my first pair, and as you can see here, I am pinching these two pairs together with my fingers. I receive a lot of questions how to keep balloon pairs tied together. Here's how I do it. I am pinching my two pairs, taking my fishing line, keep holding your pairs, taking my fishing line and wrapping around one of the balloons once. Push your clusters or pairs together and pull on your fishing line. Again, around different newly placed balloon. Pull on your fishing line, push your pairs together. If you see that when you let go, your pairs are kind of separating by themselves, you know, then wrap your balloons again with your fishing line to make sure your balloons won't slide anywhere. Let go and you have really tightly packed pairs of balloons. Keep constructing, keep building. I am mixing my 12-inch balloons with my 16-inch balloons, and then I will be including my 30-inch balloons separately with my low temperature glue gun. I didn't mention, but with the rest of your pairs, do exactly the same thing. Use your floor, place the beginning of your balloon garland right on the floor and just kind of push your pairs together to create this tight environment for balloons and keep wrapping. Be careful how hard you pull on your fishing line because fishing line can cut your balloons. If you're using curling ribbon can cut your balloons as well. So be careful. Choose that middle strength of pulling your curling ribbon or intertwining them and making these clusters of 4. Now the fun part begins. I am taking my individual balloons. I blew more 11-inch balloons individually. I am taking clusters, things like that, and I am taking my low temperature glue gun. Low temperature glue gun won't pop your balloons, and I am filling in spaces on my garland. So be creative here. I can't tell you exact pattern what to do, what balloon is next. It's up to you. It's about your creativity. So let's go. Woo, woo, woo. I have so far. My balloons are white without any paintings on them, so I just wanted to stop what I'm doing and show you what you can have with just white balloons. It looks really good. I love the uplighting that I added. It adds something really romantic to this setup, and throughout the video you saw me using twinkle lights in the back. That's another way that what you can do with your fabric, with your backdrop. I will link everything in the description under the video. So now, you guys, last look at this non-painted balloon setup, and we'll go and we'll paint some hearts right now. I'm nervous. Let me try to wipe this down. Whew. Okay, this wipes really easily, so that's good. I have to pop this balloon and replace it. Instead of painting, I have foiled red balloons, heart balloons. So let's try to blow them up and add here and there just to spice this setup a little bit. I will be using my hand pump to blow these balloons because all foiled self-sealing balloons, as I always say, have this insert in them, plasticky kind of like a insert in here. If you're going to be using warm electric balloon pump, hot electric balloon pump, you have a chance that you can melt those inserts, so it's better and safer to use hand pump. And this is my final setup for today, you guys. I am loving everything that I see here. I love the final result. I am happy that I made changes. I stopped painting my balloons and I went with foil balloons, and instead of pink uplighting, I changed it into red to match my balloons, and I am happy with all of it. Quality of these white balloons, outstanding. Nothing popped, none of the balloons had holes, or none of the balloons deflated on me. I am loving Qualitix. Thank you so much, Lauderdale Paper and Balloon Company, for sending me these balloons to create this beautiful setup. A little bit about this frame, you guys. I highly recommend to buy the frame. It's very well made. I had a little bit of a tough time to set it up, but as soon as I set everything up, I mean, no complaints. It's very sturdy. It holds very nicely. It doesn't wiggle on me. I mean, loving it. If you need this frame, go ahead and get this one because it's a really good price and quality as well. Everything you see attached to my balloon garland bases, I attached with the help of my low temperature glue gun. I hope you enjoyed this video. Everything will be linked and listed in the description under the video. Don't forget to use my code Anastasia10 for 10% off at Lauderdale Paper and Balloon Company's website. I will be sharing some pictures at the end of this video as well. This is it, you guys. This is my first video for Valentine's Day balloon garlands. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with family and friends. If you have any additional questions, please leave them in the comment section below. I'll be there. I will try to answer them all. If you're here for the first time, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below for more videos and fun ideas. I hope you'll have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I will see you back very soon. Bye!